So, hello and welcome, friends, to the special series of Make It Matter. Joining us today is our very own President HR HDFC Argo, Dr. Sriharsha Achar.
Namaskar.
Namaste, sir. How are you? कैसे हो?
Very well.
And how is
Full of
Gurgaon,
Josh.
sir?
Gurgaon has just become orange from red.
Oh,
Good news.
Good news, sir. Good news. And how is the feeling, sir? After we coming into orange now, waiting for green
Feeling
signal?
is good. Feeling is good. Waiting for green, but at the same time, if you talk to me about general public and our own employees and all of us,
Yes.
I think we are living in unprecedented times. And in today's context, there are three emotions that are running. One is caution, one is anxiety, and the third is fear. And all three emotions are pretty much running in everybody. But
Right.
over the last 37, 38 days that we have been in the lockdown period, I think everyone has learned to deal with this, and everyone has a different way of coping with this. So कौन सही है, कौन गलत है, किसका ज्यादा कोप हो रहा है, किसका कम कोप हो रहा है. This is not the point of discussion, but everybody has learned to become self-sufficient in these 38 to 40 days. I mean, we're hoping it won't extend, but let's see. You never know.
Right. So, what are the sentiments or what is the emotion running right now in yourself as well as the organization, sir, from the point of view?
I think while there is fear and anxiety, there is also a bit of caution, and along with that, there is a josh. And people are calling me or talking to me and talking to our HR friends saying, "Wapis kab aana hai?" In fact, in today's morning also, I got a couple of emails asking me when should we be coming back to office. So वो जोश है. People are not. I mean, घर पे रह के थोड़ा fatigue हो गया है.
Right.
But over a period of time, I think once they get into work by rotation or in whatever fashion, the mental stress will come down.
Right. So, what are the activities or approaches that HR is undertaking right now to keep up the positivity among employees and keeping the morale high? So, as we say, how's
Right.
the josh? You already answered it. The josh is high. People are, are in a frame of mind to come back as soon as possible.
That's true. Very true. Because we've been in touch with them throughout the 38, 39 days that we've been in isolation. Happily, I can say that we have contacted 100% of employees to check on their health and safety and well-being. जब भी HR से कॉल गया है, किसी काम के लिए गया नहीं है. So we've been engaging with them through Project 21. We've been making sure that they are physically, emotionally and financially healthy over the last 30-40 days. April की salary, March की salary भी जल्दी दी, so that they don't have any issues if they want to buy something and stock up for a few weeks. Earlier it was easy to go to the market and pick up anything at any time, but in today's context, it had become difficult. We regularly engage with them in the form of surveys, and the feedback that we are getting is whatever the organization has done is appreciated. So we must also understand that this is the world's largest remote working experiment. So teething trouble तो होगा, दिक्कत तो थोड़ी होगी. But I think over a period of time, people also have learned how to deal with it, and they have ironed out their things. Because all said and done, working from home in today's context means working for the office and working for the home also. So 24 घंटे जो है पूरे नहीं पड़ रहे हैं. तो तभी तो ना बीवी रोज यही गाना गाती है, सुबह और शाम काम ही काम, क्यों नहीं लेते पिया प्यार का नाम, प्यार से तुमको या इनको मिले न छुट्टी, ऐसे सजना से मेरी कट्टी कट्टी कट्टी. यही वाला मेरे ख्याल से बहुत घरों में चल रहा होगा.
Right, sir. Sir, and how is this work from home? Is it exciting or is it stressful? And apart from that, how is productivity being impacted in among employees because of the work from home?
I think people have been working for more number of hours, so there is a stretch.
Right.
Is there stress? I guess initially it was more of fun कि हाँ भाई दूर से काम कर रहे हैं. Subsequently it started sinking कि भाई ये क्या हो गया, कितने दिन और. And now again we have gone back to that position कि भाई हाँ ठीक चल रहा है तो चल ले. Sales people also were busy. again we have made sure that we have had 1 or 2 projects in between jahan pe humne all the people have been deployed so that they are gainfully employed. In addition to that, we have also kept people busy by virtue of training, by cross training. मोटर वाले हेल्थ सीख रहे हैं, हेल्थ वाले मोटर सीख रहे हैं, डेवलपमेंटल ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स काफी सारे हमने उनको लिंक्स वगैरह दिए हैं. So hopefully people have used it if they have found the time. Some of them may have found the time, some of them have not found the time. But over 60-70% of the people are gainfully employed in the sense that systems वगैरह भी हमने घर पहुंचा दिए, डेस्कटॉप पहुंचा दिए, पर्सनल सिस्टम्स को हमने IT enable करा दिए. So IT team has done a wonderful job, marketing team has done a wonderful job in terms of drafting the communications, and of course the HR and admin teams have been right there along with all the other teams, making sure that whatever problems people are facing, whether it is somebody got stuck in Delhi, had to go to Meerut, or somebody got somewhere else, or somebody met with an accident. So we've been constantly in touch with those families to ensure that everybody is safe, first of all.
It's a very awesome feeling when you hear that HR is reaching out to each and every employee and asking them about their well-being, about their comforts right now. It's a very personalized touch to the employees going out from HR.
Very important.
Very important in such stressful times.
Yes.
And how has HR adapted to this reality post the lockdown? Because you have to be constantly in touch with the employees. And partly you have already answered in the earlier question, but how are we adapting to this situation, sir, right now?
I think we have been fortunate that 99.9% of the HR folks have had a laptop or a system which they could immediately use from their homes.
Right.
Phones have also played a major role, and of course dongles, etc., wherever required, we have been able to supply. And people have been working through the day, through the night, doing virtual samvads, making sure that they are in touch, making sure that all the programs are being communicated about कि आज ये program है, इतने बजे ये call है.
Right.
So WhatsApp, messages, emails, and various other communication modes have been effectively used by the team to make sure that there is a sense of camaraderie amongst the HR team first,
right,
and amongst the rest of the organization.
So while you are taking care of the entire HDFC Argo's employee force, obviously it is stressful for you also, sir. So how are you unwinding in these times?
Well, after a 7-8 hour calls and 3-4 hours of email and other stuff, I wind down early in the morning. 7 o'clock I take the dogs out for a walk. Again 7 in the evening I take them for a walk, and after 8:30 when it is dinner time, it is usually my duty every day, and I enjoy doing that part, and I prepare dinner for the whole family. So that's how I'm winding down. टाइम मिल रहा तो रीड करता हूँ, एंड रोज जो ईमेल भेजना होता है उसमें भी थोड़ा एफर्ट मारना पड़ता है रोज. So that's the way how I am trying to wind down, and as I said, these are very different times, and I want to conclude this interview of ours by saying, नजर को बदलो तो नजारे बदल जाते हैं, सोच को बदलो तो सितारे बदल जाते हैं, कश्तियां बदलने की जरूरत नहीं, दिशा को बदलो तो किनारे खुद ब खुद बदल जाते हैं.
Wow, sir.
Thank you. All the best.
And one last question, sir, before we wind up.
हाँ जी.
What is one thing that you would like to do post the lockdown? Once the lockdown is over, what is the one thing that you would like to do?
Get back to office and meet everybody.
So the Josh is high there.
With all the protocols, of course.
Yes. Done, sir. Thank you so much, sir. It was pleasure having you.
Lovely.
On the platform, and we look forward again. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Cheers. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.